friends, welcome to my channel, and if you've been here before, then welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do like a quick maybe not 5 minutes, but a quick fresh face tutorial with full foundation coverage, but the rest looking pretty fresh, not necessarily natural, but quick. So I'm just putting on face lotion, Clean and Clear Morning Burst, and then I'm going in with an eye cream under my eyes. This one is Burt's Bees Intense Hydration Eye Cream. I'm going to use Revlon Color Stay Foundation, the 24-hour 110 Ivory, 150 in Buff. And I'm gonna apply some Fix Plus all over the face. Sponge it down the neck with a sponge. I'm still seeing a little redness in areas, so I am going to apply another layer. LA Girl Pro Conceal. We're gonna take this sand shade from the ABH light to medium palette and just with the fingertip dab it on the cheekbones and blend it in a little bit. And then I'm going to take it down the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. It's like a really subtle highlight. In my opinion, it's like highlighting without highlighting. First I'm going to take my Sonia Kashuk brush. I'm gonna go in with Havana right there, Havana, and chisel out the cheekbones. Really lightly because this stuff is super pigmented. And then on top of it, I'm going to take a little bit of Alrighty, so here's the finished look. My camera died, so I'm just gonna tell you real quick what I used. For blush, I used Chocolate in Vegas from the ABH blush kit, and I also used Dusk as a contour shade for the forehead and the nose and the chin, just to do a really soft touch contour. And then I also used Fawn for my eyeshadow, so just to give it like a pulled together, like same kind of look, I used Fawn and Dusk for the eyeshadow. And then I wanted to highlight a little bit more. The Anastasia one just wasn't doing it for me, so this L'Oreal Infallible eyeshadow in Iced Latte, and it's like a cream shadow, but I like to use it as a highlight because it's really pretty and it's got like a lot of shine to it and you don't need to use a lot of it. So I use that on the cheekbones, the brow bones, and the inner corner, of course. And then for my eyeliner, I just use Mega Liner from Wet n Wild, as well as Marc Jacobs Blacker Liner for the waterlines. And the waterlines I just took 2/3 of the way in on the top, and on the bottom 1/3 of the way in. Oh yeah, and for the Mega Liner, I took it 2/3 of the way in. I stopped right about there so that it blended into my natural eyeline. And then I used Tarte's Light Camera Lashes and curled the lashes. I would put on some soft lashes, but we're going to the gym, so I'm not gonna do that. And then for the brows, I use the ABH Brow Pomade in medium brown, as well as this Japanesque, let me see if I can find it, there it is. Okay, as well as this Japanesque eyebrow palette, I would call it. I use the darker powder to set the outer brow, and then the lighter to set the inner brow. And then I use this Japanesque clear brow gel as well, just to really set it, because like I said, we're going to the gym and I don't want my brows to melt off of my face. And then for lips, I just used this Wet n Wild gel lip liner in Bear to Comment, which I have been loving lately. It's just been amazing. And then this Too Faced lipstick in Nude Beach. It's a little bit pinker than I thought, but I still love it. And so yeah, this is the finished look. Comment down below what your favorite products are for like soft, subtle glam looks, sort of natural but still full. Comment down below what your favorite products are to make those looks. And also, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.